Bitcoin Explained. Simply a 5-minute guide. Envision transferring funds to anyone, anywhere globally, instantaneously and without the involvement of a bank. This is the promise of Bitcoin, a transformative digital currency that is altering our perception of money. This video serves solely for informative reasons and does not constitute financial or investment advice. Cryptocurrencies represent high-risk speculative investments with values subject to significant fluctuations. They are not overseen by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA in the UK, indicating a lack of protection in the event of adverse outcomes. Consistently conduct your own research and contemplate obtaining independent financial counsel prior to making investments. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin constitutes a decentralized digital money. In contrast to conventional currency, it is not governed by any government or entity. Rather, it is driven by a worldwide network of computers. What is the mechanism of Bitcoin? The core of Bitcoin is the blockchain, a public database that documents each transaction. Upon transmitting Bitcoin, your transaction is consolidated with others into a block. This block is subsequently incorporated into the chain, establishing a clear and immutable history. What is mining? Mining is the procedure of authenticating transactions. Miners employ high-performance computers to resolve intricate mathematical equations. The initial solver is permitted to append the new block to the blockchain and receives a reward of newly minted bitcoins. Security and proprietorship. Your Bitcoin resides in a digital wallet secured by cryptographic keys. Your wallet is exclusively accessible to you, guaranteeing the security of your cash. What are the advantages of utilizing Bitcoin? Bitcoin facilitates rapid, economical transactions internationally. It is particularly advantageous in areas with volatile currencies or inadequate financial infrastructure. Furthermore, it grants financial independence to its users. Risks and considerations. Graph depicting volatility in a roller coaster format. Nonetheless, Bitcoin's value may exhibit volatility. It is vital to investigate and comprehend the hazards prior to investing or utilizing it for transactions. The prospects of Bitcoin. Since its establishment in 2009, Bitcoin has evolved from a specialized idea to an international sensation. As technology advances, Bitcoin persistently impacts the future of finance. Do you have a subject you would like us to address next? Please submit your suggestions in the comments. We welcome your input.